What's up, drone enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best China drones on Aliexpress for 2025, all packed with features like 8K cameras, GPS tracking, gimbals, and laser obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, there's something on this list for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get airborne. Number 1. SG109 Max 2 8K GPS drone with 3-axis gimbal and obstacle avoidance. This drone features an 8K HD dual camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and foldable arms. GPS plus optical flow positioning gives it great stability. The SG109 Max 2 gives you pro-level features at an entry-level price. It's smooth, stable, and responsive. Obstacle avoidance works decently in open areas, and the 8K camera delivers sharp footage, especially in daylight. Pros: 8K video with 3-axis gimbal, GPS and optical flow for precise control. Foldable and portable, solid battery life and brushless motors. Cons: obstacle avoidance can struggle indoors, not ideal in windy conditions. For under-budget aerial videography, this is a fantastic drone that delivers big on value. Number 2. JHDL200 Pro Max drone, 4K GPS with 2-axis gimbal. It packs a 4K HD camera, 2-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS, brushless motors, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, ideal for FPV enthusiasts. The JHDL200 Pro Max balances power and portability. Flight controls feel intuitive, and the camera is good for semi-professional work. The 2-axis gimbal does a good job, but stabilization could be better in heavy movement. Pros: reliable FPV transmission, long-range GPS return to home, brushless motor equals durability, 2-axis gimbal with good stabilization. Cons: not a true 3-axis gimbal, slight fisheye effect in wide shots, a dependable GPS drone for hobbyists who want serious range and camera control without breaking the bank. Number 3. SG109 Pro Max 8K drone with screen remote. This one features an 8K HD cam, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and comes with a 5.9-inch large screen remote, so no phone is needed to fly. If you're tired of draining your phone battery for drone flights, this is a game changer. The dedicated remote screen gives real-time visuals and the footage is quite sharp. GPS is accurate and the return to home is on point. Pros: large screen remote controller, 8K resolution, GPS and auto stabilization. No need for smartphone app. Cons: remote screen can struggle in direct sunlight. UI isn't the most intuitive, perfect for beginners or casual flyers who want a no-hassle setup with high-res video. Number 4. Xiaomi V168 drone, dual camera 8K with omnidirectional avoidance. This Xiaomi branded drone features dual 8K cameras, 5G GPS, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a solid build quality with a futuristic look. It flies smoothly and avoids obstacles impressively in all directions. Dual cameras let you switch between angles mid-flight. Xiaomi's known for its smart tech, and this drone keeps that rep going strong. Pros: omnidirectional avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS precision, dual 8K cameras, sleek Xiaomi design. Cons: pricier than similar models, may require some setup tweaking for new users. A sleek and smart drone that's ideal for content creators who want versatility and reliability. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone, compact with pro camera. Another gem from Xiaomi. It includes an 8K camera, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and a foldable, brushless design that's beginner-friendly. This drone is mini, mighty, and packed with power. It's extremely portable, folds up nicely, and is ideal for travelers or vloggers. Obstacle avoidance works well in casual flying scenarios. Pros: extremely portable, foldable quadcopter, 8K video with optical zoom, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: lighter build equals wind-sensitive, shorter battery life compared to others. If you're always on the move and want a compact drone with top-tier visuals, this is your go-to. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best China drones on Aliexpress 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a drone enthusiast, there's something on this list that delivers big value. All links are down in the description. Check them out and let us know which one you'd fly first. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.